Okay, so you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be doing change detection. Yeah, we'll be doing change detection. Now, when you say change detection, it means like we are trying to notice or find out the change that has occurred within a particular area. A change that has occurred within a particular area. Maybe first this land there was more maybe plants and stuff, but after 2 years or 3 years it is no more there. So we use the change detection to find out what has occurred during the period. So let's look at this question. For example, it says perform a change detection showing the change detection statistics table for the two images downloaded with different periods in week 1. Instruction 1: perform a supervised classification on each image with the following class types: vegetation, built-up, water bodies, bare lands. 2. Perform the change detection analysis to create the change detection statistic table. 3. Explain the change that has occurred in each class type. Okay, so with this one, we will take it one by one. Okay, so let's see here. It says what? 2 images. So for me, I'll pick Accra. Which is 2015 and then 2020. Mind you, your area must be the same area but different years. Okay, so this is my own. So I have the Accra 2020 and I have Accra 2015 and then Accra 2020. Please, in case you don't have any of these, you can still go to your website. Then you go to Earth Explorer, then you choose your pattern. You know that Accra is 193 and the row is what? 056. Then you from here you choose your year. You see here, you choose your year. So when you are done, then you download it. This is if you don't have the images. I'm repeating again. If you don't have Accra images for a year, maybe you have only 2020, but you need 2015. You come here, you do the same thing, then you follow the procedures to download your images from the satellite. Okay, so this is change detection. Okay, so I'm choosing Accra 2015 and then Accra 2020. That's what I want to use. You can also use maybe Kumasi 2010 and 2012. It depends on you. It all depends on you. Then so when you download your images from the satellite, now they are not that clear, so you need to perform the graph calibration atmospheric clearance so that you get a nice image. That is, if you are now going to download those images, if you are now going to download those images after you are done downloading them, no, we will need to what gap fill them, calibrate them, and perform atmospheric clearance or atmospheric correction so that we will get a clear image. Now, for this work, there is no need to subset. There is no need to subset. You can just use the images like that. You can just use the images like that. So after you have downloaded your image from the website, then you perform the gap fill, blah blah blah. So there's no need to subset. So after you have performed all this, then we'll now do what? We'll now continue with our classification, and then we'll end with our change analysis. Don't worry, I'll take you through each of them. So let's set the ball rolling. So let's open our software. So let's wait for our software to open. Let's wait for our software to open. Okay, yeah, so this is our software. Now let's start with our gap fill and our gap fill. So with this, where is it? Okay, yes. So with the 2020 now, I've done the gap fill and everything on it, so it's clear. But I haven't done it on 2015 because I want to teach you guys how to do it. So we will do the gap fill and the what's the name? The gap fill, calibration, atmospheric condition for 2015, because for 2020 I've done that already. So we'll do that for 2015. And mind you, when you download an image from the satellite, you must open it. Then you look for the MTL file. This is very 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 important. You after you have downloaded them from the satellite, you locate the MTL file. Then you change the Landsat here to L1. Then you press Ctrl S to save. I say you press Ctrl F, or you come to file, then you save it. Then you are done. Okay, so these are our images and files from the satellite, which is Accra 2015. So let's minimize it and open our software. Okay, so from here I'll now import my 2015. Okay, so this is my, oh yeah, that's my network open. Okay, so this is my 2015 image. So you see how it is is blurred with some lines on it. So we'll first have to take these lines off. So go to gap fill. From gap fill, they'll go to choose. So let's save our work. So let me create a folder here. Then name it gap fill. Sorry. So yeah, that's it. So select OK. Open. So select. Okay. So from here, then we go to OK. Then we select the first one. Okay. Now let's wait for it to finish. Okay, guys. So because of time, so I've jumped some steps. So I did a gap fill, calibration, atmospheric correction. I did a subset, and now I've done the classification. So in case you don't know how to do the uh, classification, please watch my video on that here. So at 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 this point here now, I've done everything here, you see. So I've done this subsetting, I've done the classification. So this is for 2015, this one is for 2015. So after doing this to then I also went to file, I went to open, then I uploaded my 2020 supervised file. This is it. So when I open this, this is what I'll get. So this is my 2020 file. So with here now, I've done subsetting, I've done a classification. So if in case you don't know how to do classification, please watch my previous video. Yes, I've done a video of that. So from here, they will move to the change analysis. We are done with all this part there with the gap fill, calibration, blah blah, subset. Yeah. So now we are here. We are analysis. We are change analysis. So from here, they will go to our toolbox. This is our toolbox. They will select change analysis. Sorry, change detection. Then from here we choose change detection difference map. We just want change detection difference map. Okay. Okay, so here we have select in initial state image. So count down my initial was 2015. So this is it. This is my 2015. So I'll select it. Then I'll tap on, let me double click on it. And here we have what? Select the final stage. So the final stage is 2020. So this is my 2020. Okay, so now we are here. Now here we'll take the normalize data wage. Then here we'll now save our work. So let me save it here. So where should I save my? Okay. So I'll save mine here. So I'll give it a name. So I'll open it and then I'll give it a name. Change. Then I'll go to open. Then I'll from here everything is set. You see, so I say if you first click here, then you choose where you save your work. Then you select OK. Now let's wait for it to load. Okay, so we are here. So when you even press here, you see that it will be sliding. You see, so as it will slide, so it shows you the differences. It will show you. See how it is moving. So to tell you that, so this is for 2015. This is for 2015. You see, so that means at first here this way places had what's the name? Balance. There were balance here. There were vegetation here, but in 2020, see, they are all gone. Vegetation is gone. Land too is gone here. They are going. You see, they are going. Yeah. So this one now is for 2020. Do you see it? They are all gone. Okay. So let's continue. Okay. So from here, they will go to load. Go to data manager. They'll change. You tap it. You choose change detection. The last one. Then you double. Sorry. Okay, sure. So from here, they will go to data manager. They will scroll down. They will choose a change detection device map. They will load it. So let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so we are done. They will close this one. So when we are done, they will come to change detection statistics. Change detection statistics. They will select 2015 and then 2020. So this was my 2015. This is my 2015, and then my 2020 is this. 2020 is this. Okay. Okay, so now we are here. So from here, we must make sure this maybe water and water here. You have balance and balance are here. So from here, I'll tap on water as the initial, then water bodies as the final. Then I'll select add bed, then it will come in. Do you understand? Then I'll come to balance as initial, then balance to here as final thing, then I'll add them. Then there's built up to here as the initial, then I'll choose this one to as the final, and I'll select add pair. So you must make sure that all those features, which is the built up balance water vegetation, must make sure that they are all in this paired class. So when you are done there, you select OK. So here we'll now save it. We'll save it at a change detection folder. Okay, so this is mine is here, right? So I'll just change or statistics change statistics change. So when I'm done, then I'll select open. After open, then I'll tap on OK. Yes, OK. So let's wait for it to now. Yes, so this is now our data. This is now our table for our table. Yes, so we are done with the first part of the question. We are done with some parts of it. So let me open the question. So we have done this part. We have performed the changes and then the table. So now we are here. You say what? Explain the change that has occurred in each type. Okay, so let's see how we are going to explain it. Okay, so where is my okay? So we'll look at this here. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's tackle this question. The last one. So that I explain the change that occurred in each class type. So open our software and then the table. So here no, you will start by saying that the class total for both 2015 and then 2020 were the same. They will all have the same class total. Yes, that's the same. Then you come to image differences. You'll be like vegetation was once doing well, but when it got to its final stage, it came negative. That means no. When you see a negative sign, meaning it's something bad or like the retreat, okay, cut down or like something. You understand? So you be like for 2015 now there were some trees there, but in 2020 no, these trees were lost or like these plants were lost or they reduced in size. Same as water two. It's water two had negative 55, meaning water two lost its place in 2020. Same as balance, but in built up no, you can see that built up was what? Positive. Built up was what? Positive. So you state that so in 2015 buildings were not that much, but in 2020
which is the final stage. Buildings have gone up to about 46.22%. 46.222%. So this is a positive change, meaning an increase in what built up, an increase in built up. So yeah, so that's how you answer your work. So for this question, for number one, you take a screenshot of both 2015 with the presentation built up and everything. Then you take for 2020. Then when you are done, then you take a screenshot of this table too, of this table. Then you also add your explanation, like how I just did. So that's all. That's all. Anyway, yeah, that's all. So in case you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel.